পিওর তেল হচ্ছে কুলুর ঘানির তেল।
शुद्ध सरसों के तेल में बनाया है, कोई मिलावट नहीं।
बढ़िया।
हमारे उसूल भी ना कुछ ऐसे ही हैं।
इसी तरह फॉर्च्यून कच्ची घानी सरसों का तेल बनता है बिना कोई मिलावट के, ताकि पारंपरिक स्वाद और झांझ।
कि मैं हकीकत जानता हूँ फिर भी छुपाती है बातें, मैं हकीकत जानता हूँ फिर भी छुपाती है बातें, मुंह पर झूठ बोलती है यार ईमानदार नहीं लगती।
You, this is made from wooden structure. You can see this is the piston here, and it is made from most probably jackfruit root, and this is the bamboo stems, and it is never get hot. So it is the cold press oil. It is extraction here. It is production less, but it is full of all kind of nutrients here. What you have just getting the famous commercial mustard oil ad there, that is nothing but a advertisement gimmick. There is no kachi ghani oil. The kachi ghani written there, it is there to misguide the people. It is all the packet oil. It is extract from the machine, and why that is produce more than 10 to 15% more oil produces the machine production, that is called a hot compress extraction of mustard oil or any kind of vegetable seeds oil. But in that process the essential nutrients, the food nutrients of the oil, that is fatty acid, carotenoids, all the things are destroyed for its temperature and getting more pH level on that machine extract oil. In the other hand, what you are viewing here, this is the traditional rudimentary old system of extraction of mustard oil. You just getting here, all the things are made by wooden. It is not getting hot in the time of extraction of oil, and always maintain the natural temperature here at around 27 degrees, and it never destroyed the main essential fatty acid, that is omega-3 and carotenoids 3 and etc, and all the essential fatty acids. কোন বেলা আছেন এটা?
এটা বৃহস্পতিবার দিন আসছি।
বৃহস্পতিবার দিন?
হ্যাঁ।
ও এটাই আছেন নাকি?
পুরো আছে।
এইবার কত করে বেচত ধরছেন? হ্যাঁ
60 টাকা শ।
60 টাকা
600 টাকা কেজি।
600 টাকা কেজি বেচত ধরছেন। তো দাম তো বেশি বাড়ান নাই তাহলে?
না বেশি একটা বাড়াই।
তো এমনি তেলের দাম না অনেক বাড়ছে এবার।
কি করবেন?
গতবারও না আমতনে চাইছিলেন? ঠিক আছে, ভাল পাইলাম। Hi friends, I am your host Dev Hore. You are welcome back to my channel. আমি ভব হুড়ে। I am here in my city Mathavanga, and here one government sponsor program, government sponsor Mela is going on here. This is Shobola Mela is going on here, and you can see me behind me. This is one of the old tradition is going on here. This is the, in our term it is called kachi ghani, kulur ghani, that is called mustard oil is extracting here in the old traditional way. What I am telling you, actually it is a part of extinction. It is the old rudimentary system. It will be no more existence in our society. The last generation, I think, this is the uncle who is doing this, and his next generation may not be interested to doing such effort to get minimum result from this. And people still consider it is one of the best and purest way to extract the mustard oil in this process. This is the cold press process. This is called kachi ghani in our old term. বাঙালিতে আমরা যেটা বলি সবচেয়ে পিওর তেল হচ্ছে কুলুর ঘানির তেল। এটা কেন বলা হয়? There is a two types of oil, vegetable oil we are used in our cooking process, that is total northeastern India including Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, UP, and there Assam, entire northeastern India using this mustard oil to cooking in their cuisine. and it is one of the way, that is oldest way. There is two processes there. One is cold press extraction of mustard oil, and another is hot press extraction of mustard oil. And the second process, that is we are getting nowadays in the bottle form in very much company, that is Pujari, Fortune, etc. All the things, all these are extract from the machine, that is hot press extraction. That is production more, and the production cost is less, so their rate is lower than this process. But all the nutrients that is contains in our mustard oil, that is essential fatty acid, that is called omega-3 fatty acid, including DHA, etc. All the nutrients are destroyed that process of hot compress extraction, and that is why it is more nutrient content in this process. And I think it may be the last to show you this generation and this process. Thank you once again, and you may know I am your host Devore. I am blogging for the people, places, food and festival, and sometimes I doing such things related to the food and their cuisine and their speciality, all the things. Thank you once again. Thank you to you too.
Welcome.